2023, officers from the Kenosha Police Department in Wisconsin initiated a traffic stop as they witnessed sparks emanating from the driver's side tire of a vehicle. Seated behind the wheel of the vehicle is an 84-year-old man. It is uncertain if he is cognizant of the precarious situation unfolding around him.
Well, we're still going. Doing about 27. Car's on fire. Set fire. Yes, it's still rolling. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out now! Come on! Come on! Get out! Come on! Get out! Get out! Get out! You're the only one in the car? Yeah. 743 start EMS. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out now! Come on! Come on! Get out! Come on! Get out! Get out! Get out! You're the only one in the car? Yeah. 743 start EMS. We have to drive it out right now.
Stand up with me. Let's get away from this. Help me out. Come on, man. Let me get to my feet.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Stand up, man. Stand up, man.
Squad's responding. Stay away from the vehicle.
Stand up for me. Come on. We got to get you up.
Yeah, I know. We got to pick him up. Come on. Pick him up.
As the officers pull the elderly man from the car, other officers arrive on the scene to assist.
You guys want to get him in the squad car?
Yeah, get him in the squad.
Come on, get him in the squad.
Someone ID him.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and walk it. 71st and Sheridan. Just make sure that Ian has to get in there.
Keep going.
Back up, sir.
So thank you, you're coming behind. Those are sure very well.
Got any weapons on you, anything like that?
That's all units coming like that, just here.
Sir. Yeah, what's your name?
Sheridan, please. Coming northbound.
Check, you want to check another?
You have ID on you? Okay, well, I'm going to get us in the car. We're going to move down the street because we're not going to sit here if this thing blows up. Are you hurt at all?
Not unless I fell down.
How's your arm? Yeah, his jacket's on fire. Okay, sir, can you take the jacket off for me? I want to make sure you're not burned on your arm. Okay, we got an ambulance coming, but I need to check and make sure.
I had a pot of money.
Okay, money's the least of our worries right now. Can you pull your jacket off for me?
Take
the jacket off so we can make sure.
Oh.
You been drinking tonight, sir?
No.
Yeah.
I'll move one of those squads.
Yeah, move. That's Stork Squad, the first one. Yeah, go ahead and move that one. Whew. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, no. He's not burned. All right, let's get in my car so we can move down the street, sir.
Hey, I'm taking this from you and putting it in the back.
No burns to him. His jacket's burned, but he's got 0 burns on him. I'm gonna move a little bit more.
Come on, there should be plastic.
I don't care. Take the seat. Get in the car. We're getting away from this before it fucking blows up on us. Move your foot. Oh, good. All right.
Did you get his ID?
We're working on it.
Good job, buddy.
We got her done.
Dude, I saw it lit up.
It's not changing. The wind changes are doomed.
Well,
He just kept going.
yeah, well, that was. I can't be entirely sideways. On fire right now. Let's get it.
Stars out there.
That's mine. I'm gonna move it.
Yeah, let's put it up here farther.
Did you put mine at 13th?
Yeah.
Okay. Mine's the squad at 13.
That's fine. That's good.
Sir, do you know what happened?
Yeah, I blew a tire and I kept on going.
Why?
I thought I could make it home.
You thought you could make it home. Where do you live?
Just a couple of blocks from here.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you?
Yeah,
Where's it at?
in my pocket.
In your pocket? Okay. Okay. You sure you're not hurt anywhere? Sorry, I didn't mean to put that in your eyes. Okay. Well, I'm going to have the ambulance come and check you out just to double check, all right?
All right.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yeah, you want it?
Oh, there it is. All right, I got it. All right, I'll give you the rest of that back. Where are you coming from today, Donald?
I was in my scene.
They seen what were you doing?
Playing cards.
Playing cards?
Yeah.
Do you have a couple drinks there?
Nope.
No alcohol at all.
None at all.
Okay. There's a plastic bag in your pocket. Can I check through your pockets?
Yeah, but it probably fell out. There should be a...
What was in the plastic bag? Money? You had money in your pocket. I put it back in there in your right pocket. It was like a money clip.
Yeah.
I put it back in your pocket.
Well, I had a plastic bag of money in my jacket. I was playing cards in the scene.
In a remarkable display of efficiency, a mere 5 minutes elapsed from the moment the police safely extracted the man from the blazing vehicle to the timely arrival of the ambulance.
Nope, just him.
Is there any burns or injuries or anything like that?
His jacket was on fire. It was on fire when they pulled him out of the car. It was on the left arm. I don't see any burns. This was kind of melted slightly to his shirt. I mean, it seems to be... I got your driver's license, yeah. You want to pull your sleeve up for us? Ooh. And then all of a sudden it like ignited. And then once it ignited, yeah. Let's back up here before we eat some metal. He's got his ID on him. I think he just found it in his pocket. I think he's gonna... Yeah, he's older gentleman. Yeah, he literally said, yeah, I knew it was on fire. He's literally like, yeah, I knew it was on fire, or I saw the wheel. I felt like he was... Yeah, oxygen bottles or anything like that in the car? What? Oxygen bottles? What was he blowing up?
No idea.
What's in there? They need to know too that they're not putting their guys in danger getting so close to the car. That's like the third boom we've heard since we've been here.
You know what? Under third pop can.
Soda cans?
Yeah, I had a bag of
You didn't have a firearm in there, did you?
what?
You didn't have a firearm in there, did you? No bullets on fire, nothing like that? Is your head all right? Was your hair on fire? You're good. No, you're good.
Currently, the driver is not suspected of any wrongdoing. Thankfully, there were no major injuries involved in the incident. The police officers did a great job ensuring the safety of everyone involved.
I was trying to eat my pizza. We just got a pizza. Where's your pizza? Marcos. He's lucky he could have been in there. Did they pull him out? That's a life-saving medal right there. We're just hanging out here. If we just pulled you out of a burning car. If you feel any pain or anything, just tell me, all right? All right.